Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a banned Tinder account on your phone. Let's get started. First, understand why your account was banned. Tinder banned account for breaking rules like sending inappropriate messages, using fake photos, or violating community guidelines. Knowing the reason will help when contacting support. Next, take a screenshot of the banned message, open Tinder, try to log in, and capture the message that shows your account is banned. This screenshot helps when explaining your case to support. Then contact Tinder support, go to the Tinder help center, select I am banned or suspended, and fill out the form, include your account details, and attach screenshot. Be polite and clear in your explanation. Write that you want to appeal your ban and promise to follow the rules in the future. Avoid blaming Tinder, just focus on requesting your account be revived, reinstated. Finally, wait for a response. Tinder may take a few days to review your appeal. Check your Gmail regularly for update and don't create a new account while waiting, as this can complicate the process. And that's it. Understand why you were banned, screenshot the message, contact support politely, and wait for reply. Following these steps gives you the best chance to fix a banned Tinder account on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.